Hey everyone, Rajshekhar here and welcome back to the channel. A few weeks ago, we unboxed the Samsung Galaxy M34 5G mobile. In brief, this mobile is available for under 15,000 rupees right now. Today we are diving deep into a full review to see if it is a good buy or not for this price by sharing my own experience with this mobile followed by the specs. Let's start now. First thing, inbox contents. The Samsung Galaxy M34 5G comes in a sleek box with the phone itself, a USB-C cable, a SIM ejector tool and some quick start guides. There is no charger is provided in the box. If you observe the previous models in this price range, at least they are providing a 15-watt charger in the box. It's so sad to see this type of bad trend where there is no charger is providing in the box. If you observe here, Samsung is not providing type A to type C cable because if they provide this, obviously people choose Samsung 15 watts or any other charger. So if the buyers has type C to type C, they plan to buy the Samsung 25 watts charger. It's a genius strategy by Samsung. Alright, coming to the display, this one comes with a stunning 6.5-inch 120Hz Super AMOLED screen. The scrolling and the navigation feel incredibly smooth, and the visuals from this display are vibrant and clear. The viewing angles are good and the touch response rate is also good. Whether you are watching videos or playing games, this display delivers a good experience. If you compare other mobiles in this price range, they won't come with this type of display. Also, this display brightness goes up to a peak of 1000 nits, which is enough to use in outdoor conditions as well. The bezels are there all over the screen with a higher on the chin part. This one comes with a 83.1% screen to body ratio. Even though it comes with a big battery, the overall weight distribution is simply amazing. This one weighs just 208 grams without any case added to it. My weighing scale is not that much accurate, that's why it's showing plus or minus 2 grams difference. This display is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on the front side, and on the back it's totally made up of with plastic. Even though the display is good, some people want even more than 1000 nits of peak brightness to use flawlessly even in direct sunlight, and some might feel the issues with the bezels. I checked the vibration feedback while typing and getting the call. It's not that great, guys. It feels a little bit lazy kind of thing. It's not on point. It's like stretching the band from this to this much. In short and brief, it's not that strong. Coming to the processor, this Samsung M34 comes with an Exynos 1280 chipset. This is a 5nm build processor. Whenever I hear the word Exynos, the one word that hits my mind is heating. This one in my hands comes with a 6GB of RAM with 128GB of storage. In day-to-day tasks, this phone performs flawlessly. Here you can see the benchmark scores as well. For gamers also, this M34 handles any game pretty well in medium to high settings. However, if you play any high graphic integrated games, you feel warm in the display area as well as at the back. Even when I ran the CPU throttling for more than 20 minutes, I observed some CPU over throttling and under throttling in my testing. I already did a dedicated gaming review of this M34 where I played some most demanding and high graphic integrated games. You can check that video for more details like the temperature, battery level and any lags, etc. I already added the link for you in the description box. Feel free to watch that gaming review. When it comes to daily usage, there is no overheating problem I noticed in this mobile. I used this mobile without adding any back case to it. If in case you add any back case, maybe you see some differences in temperatures. So overall, this processor, the Exynos 1280 processor is good for all day-to-day tasks and performance is also good. Now it's time to talk about one of the biggest reasons to buy this mobile. It's the cameras. On the back, 3 cameras are there. The main one is a 50 megapixel with an aperture of f1.8. This one comes with features like PDAF and OIS. The second camera is a 8 megapixel ultra wide lens with an aperture of f2.2. The FOV angle of this lens is 120 degrees. And the third camera is a 2 megapixel depth lens with an aperture of f2.4. These cameras produces good results in daytime outdoor conditions. Photos are looking sharp with decent colors, and the portrait mode produces decent bokeh effects. You can record videos at a maximum of 4K 30 fps from the back camera. This is one of the main drawbacks. With the front, you can record videos at a maximum of 1080p 30 fps. Here are some photos and video samples of this mobile shot in both daytime and nighttime conditions. If in case you are recording the video in indoor conditions by using the front facing camera, this is how the video quality looks like. And right now I'm shooting in the camera, I'm in DSLR as well as here, and you can see here. So this is my setup and this is how I'm recording. So you can judge how the video quality from the front facing camera in 1080p 30 fps. Maximum you can shoot this much, you cannot go beyond this. There are so many options are available in the camera app as well as the Samsung Gallery app. You can tweak a lot of things here. On the front, it's a 13 megapixel camera with an aperture of f2.2, and it is decent for taking selfies and video calls. But there is no autofocusing for the front camera. Here are some samples of this front facing camera too. During the night time, this mobile is not an ideal choice for everyone. If you compare it with daytime shots, it's not even close to 20%. So for those who are shooting in nighttime conditions with dull or no light places, this is not going to be a great mobile. Even if you have a decent amount of light around you, you see a lot of noise in picture and even in videos. You see more in videos when compared to pictures. So for nighttime photos or videos, this is not an ideal choice. If you want to know in-depth camera review of M34 with more photos and video samples, I already posted a video on that. You can check the link in the description box. Overall, the camera is good for daytime conditions, not for nighttime. Now coming to the software, this M34 runs on Android 14 with Samsung One UI 6.1 out of the box. One UI is handy with a lot of features, and also it takes the user experience to next level. I'm a One UI user for more than 2 years. I loved this after pure Android. In One UI, you will get all the features that strikes to your mind. For example, dual apps, it's there. Secure folder, it is there. Customizations, yes you can do. Themes, yes they are supported. Fonts, yes you can change, and many more. Samsung promised that this M34 is supported for 4 years of major Android updates and 5 years of security patch updates, which is a big plus for future proof. Right now I'm shooting this video in the end of July month 2024, but still this mobile is having May security patch. Samsung pushes the security patch every month. Maybe I'm thinking this mobile will get for every 3 months once. So for the software experience, features and updates, this mobile is good and future proof also. This mobile comes with Android 13 at the time of release, so you get 4 major Android updates according to Samsung. That means you can use Android 17 in this mobile, which is amazing. Now coming to the battery, this M34 comes with a huge 6000 mAh capacity that provides amazing battery life for every user. Actually, M series are meant for monsters, meaning you get a bigger battery that lasts for more than a day. In my usage, the battery backup, the battery standby time is amazing thanks to the 5nm processor, even though it is Exynos. Coming to screen on time, I'm getting more than 5 hours no matter what kind of usage it is. For more than a day, you get the battery backup in this mobile if you're a normal user. I used this in mixed conditions, like sometimes playing games, using camera, clicking photos, recording videos, watching movies, phone calls, texting, etc. You get a full day of battery backup with a single charge with moderate to close to high usage. Even though if you are using very high, vigorously you are using this mobile, one day it will last, that is damn sure. Also note that this battery backup is not same for everyone. It changes according to the type of usage and also the things around like temperature, the light intensity, etc. Coming Coming to the charging, this phone supports 25 watts fast wired charging. There is no reverse wireless or reverse wire charging support in this mobile. One more thing is there is no charger is provided in the box. So overall, there is no problem with the battery backup time and the charging times. I already posted a dedicated video on how much time this mobile take to charge from 0% to 100% in switch off conditions. You can check the video to know how much percentage this mobile charges for every 10 minutes. Now it's time to see the extra features that are available and not available in this M34 5G. Coming to the available features, number 1, 11 5G bands are available. Number 2, the NFC option is there. Number 3, micro SD card slot is there. Number 4, a side mounted fingerprint sensor is available. Number 5, 3.5 headphone jack is there. Now these are the features that are not available. Number 1, there is no IP rating. Number 2, no stereo speakers are available. Number 3, no wireless or reverse wire charging. Now let's discuss the pros and cons of this mobile. So if in case the cons, I mean the bad things matters to you, then don't buy this mobile. Here are the pros. Stunning 120Hz AMOLED display, decent processor for everyday tasks, good camera system for daytime shots, long lasting battery with fast charging support, software updates guaranteed by Samsung, good extra features, 4K video only for back camera, and finally the price, I mean under 15,000 rupees. Now here are the cons. Number 1, the plastic back. Number 2, there is no 60 fps in 4K for the back camera and no 4K video support at all for the front camera. Number 3, camera performance is not good in low light conditions. Number 4, there is no charger is provided in the box. Number 5, there is no IP rating as well. So now we discuss for whom this mobile is actually meant for. This Samsung Galaxy M34 mobile is great for those who are looking for a budget category mobile that comes with a Super AMOLED panel with high battery capacity. If in case you are looking a good mobile for parents, this is the best mobile for you under 15,000 rupees. Even you can manage gaming as well in this one. This mobile is like a all-rounder but in budget category with decent performance. Alright guys, that's the in-depth review of the Samsung Galaxy M34 5G. If you are considering this phone, I hope this review helped you to make a decision. I added the affiliate link in the description box. If in case you want help this channel, you can buy anything through the link. Just click the link and buy whatever you want. Thanks in advance for your lovely support. Many of you are already helping this channel. Thanks for watching and take care.